A judge postponed today's hearing until December, but not before extending the sexual assault protection order against the sheriff. The woman's rape claim against Urquhart was largely discredited by authorities, but she wants to keep Urquhart from defaming her and from divulging her private medical information.
For a proceeding involving the King County Sheriff,
I am Judge Elizabeth Martin, visiting judge on this matter.
The courts brought in a judge from another county. And instead of the sheriff in court,
You've asked for a 30-day continuance, counsel?
I have, Your Honor.
His attorney Todd Maybrown appeared on his behalf. The 43-year-old woman, a former deputy, claims Sheriff Urquhart raped her in 2002 when he was her commanding officer, but federal and local investigators cleared him last year. A week before the election, she filed a sexual assault protection order against him to keep him from releasing her medical records and to stop defaming her.
The sheriff has been distributing my medical records, and I have an audio file of him defaming me and talking about my mental health in public.
She gave us the audio recording from his appearance with the 45th District Democrats in June. A photo of the event was posted to the sheriff's Facebook page. You can hear him talking about his accuser's wild accusations.
Also accused me of trying to kill her in Boston by running her down in a car. On Capitol Hill by sneaking into her apartment and turning on the gas so the apartment building would explode when she came home. And she could not produce any evidence of these allegations. I feel very sorry for this woman.
A spokesperson for the sheriff said the only reason he talked about his accuser at that appearance was because his political opponent, Major Mitzi Johanknick, brought up the rape scandal. But others at today's hearing also talk about an offer from the sheriff's chief of staff to share private information about the woman to prove she can't be trusted.
I was offered the accuser's medical files to prove that she was, in fact, not mentally well and not credible. So that was a conversation that I had directly with Chris Berenger, and I'm happy to talk to any judge about that.
The sheriff's chief of staff denies ever making the offer to share her private medical information. All of this will likely play out in court in December. A spokesperson for the sheriff said the reason he didn't show up in court today because it was practically a foregone conclusion that the hearing would be postponed. In the newsroom, Elisa Hahn, King 5 News.